I want to check the depth of that. That sure seemed like a deep cut. Yeah, that's 200 thou. Alright, well, it's 20 thou thicker than I was expecting. Guess I should have measured that a little closer. Okay, so I made a comment that I thought that cut was a little deeper than it should have been. You know, and it's probably a good thing that I had the feed rate turned down. Otherwise, I think I might have stalled it. I'm not sure. So here's the challenge. I have this at model top. My cuts are set at 0.15 depth. And I'm sitting there going, okay, that's definitely thicker than 0.15. Well, that's why. Because there's 30 thousandths worth of material on the top there because I have that recessed below it. My mistake. I should set this for... So I have it set for stock top. It will go through and refigure it. It might add another layer to it. I think it's okay. I think it took up, there was a little tiny layer here it was cutting off. So, and what I'm going to do here is I decided I was using a 1/4 inch ball end mill, and in order to get faster production I've changed that to a 1/2 inch 3 flute because it was a 1/4 inch 2 flute ball end mill. I changed it to this. This is the same 1/8 inch radius. Okay, so the part's not going to look any different, but I get an extra flute so I can run faster. It also gets the surface feet per minute up because the diameter's bigger, and I can actually take a bigger chip load too. So I was able to leave a bit more meat on the bone there from the previous operation, and I made the step down a little bit bigger too to cut down cycle time on this with the this tool path. So I was at like 20,000 before, and now I'm at like 50 or something like that. But I can chew off a whole lot more meat with that other end mill. So always something to consider. I've talked to a lot of guys about that, and I tend to want to put a bull nose in instead of a ball end mill for all of this stuff anytime I can. I think I might try the next one with the fly cutter. I'm not thrilled with the waves in here from it turning, so I think I just may take the fly cutter because it'll do 3 inches, and I'll just do one pass all the way down. Hopefully I won't have issues with it not going off the end as far as it needs to.